While on a 3-day drive from San Francisco to my new home in Boulder, Colorado, the colors of the landscape slowly change from earthy California gold and beige to rusty reds and oranges. The shapes evolve from rolling hillsides and mountain ranges to mesas and otherworldly stacks of rock and earth. The changes in my life brought on by relocating are reflected in the changing environment. 9 hours into day one, I'm greeted with a gorgeous sunset as I pull into Vegas for the night. I'm both exhausted from too much caffeine and buzzed from the exhilaration of the open road and moving to a new home after 10 years. I check myself into a hotel and promptly pass out. All right, I'm departing Vegas. It's 102 here. It's wicked hot. I just stayed last night in a little boutique hotel. After getting some coffee, I just got to ride my one wheel through the middle of the Fremont district, which was pretty cool. There is buskers there, there's loads of lights and people trying to sell you shit you don't need. Anyway, I'm ready to go. Time for BRYCE Canyon.
Been here for the sun, making the red rocks just gorgeous. Got caught in the rain, weathered a rainstorm, hiding under an arch. Gear got soaked, I got soaked, and now it's beautiful blue skies again. Oh.
I'm sitting in the parking lot at BRYCE Canyon. I've got my phone's flashlight shining on my face because it's so dark outside. This is my first time at BRYCE Canyon. Oh my God, it's amazing here. When I first got here, it was sunny and gorgeous. The rocks were just bright red. There's the hoodoos everywhere, beautiful light and shadows. And I had hiked down in the hoodoos and it was pouring rain for a little while. I found some shelter under this arch and hung out there for a while, but before I got there, me and my gear got absolutely soaked. It was the first time my camera gear really got battle tested, and it kept working, so thank goodness for that. I hung out in the arch for a little while, and then the weather cleared up, and it was blue skies, and I hiked back out and went to Inspiration Point, got some great footage and photos along the way, and I feel so alive. This is the best solo day I've had by myself in a really long time. I feel alive and my spirit just feels vibrant. I'm gonna be getting up for sunrise in the morning and seeing what else I can capture. I'm really excited. Yeah. So this is my first time at BRYCE Canyon, and it is absolutely amazing. I just woke up at 5 in the morning. I mean, I love my sleep. I guard my sleep with my life. And I just woke up at 5 in the morning to come capture sunset, and I'm so glad I did. My God, it was absolutely incredible. Oh, I love the way my spirit feels here. I love the way my body feels here. So, why am I starting a vlog? There's several reasons. One is it's gonna serve as kind of a digital diary for me so that I have a way to remember insights and experiences that I have and be able to appreciate them later. It's also because I love having a camera in my hand. I love the way it feels to capture life and to see the world through the lens of a camera and capture it in creative ways is just something that I feel so activated by. I love it. And starting a vlog is going to be a way for me to practice my cinematography skills, to capture my experiences, to practice being on camera. I want to get so good at it and get so comfortable being on camera that it feels like a get to for me instead of a have to. I want to be able to So why am I leaving the Bay? I was living in Portland, Oregon about 10 years ago, and I noticed that every time I would travel down through the Bay to perform or visit friends, I love how I felt. I'd feel really grounded there. You know, it felt familiar to me. How the sun would set and cast its light on the rolling California hillsides, something about the climate, and it just called to me, and so I finally moved down. After a decade, I have noticed the same thing, that every time I go through Boulder and Denver, I love the way that I feel. I love the climate there. I love that it has real pronounced winters and real pronounced summers. I love the people there. I love the environment. There's so much to do outdoors, and it's calling to me. There's something familiar about it, and after almost a decade of living in the Bay, I'm moving. San Francisco and the Bay will always feel like a home to me, but it's time to move to Boulder, and I'm so excited. I can't wait.